Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Now. GG. To begin, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Now GG website. Once there, use the search bar to find Roblox. With a single click, you can launch the game directly from the cloud, eliminating the need for downloads or installations. This method provides instant access to your favorite Roblox experiences, making it incredibly convenient for all players. Playing Roblox on Now, GG offers several key advantages. You won't need to download or install any large game files, saving valuable storage space on your device. This cloud-based approach allows you to play on virtually any device with a web browser, from a low-end laptop to a tablet. Experience high-performance gaming, even if your device lacks powerful hardware, as all the processing happens remotely on Now GG's servers. Once Roblox is launched on Now GG, you can easily log in using your existing Roblox account credentials. This grants you immediate access to your friends, progress, and all your purchased items. From there, you can explore the vast and ever-growing library of Roblox games. Now, GG also provides optimized controls and features, ensuring a smooth and responsive gaming experience tailored for cloud play, enhancing your overall enjoyment. To ensure the best possible experience while playing Roblox on Now GG, a stable and fast internet connection is crucial. A minimum of 25 megabits per second is recommended for smooth gameplay. Additionally, closing any unnecessary browser tabs or applications can free up system resources, leading to improved performance. Using a modern, updated web browser like Chrome or Edge will also ensure optimal compatibility and a seamless gaming session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.